My name is Carrie Browsick, and I am one of the farm planners at Snohomish Conservation District. I nominated Robyn Smith. Robyn runs Equine Life Solutions, an organization that offers horse riding lessons and therapy in Bothell. She also operates a small educational farm to expose at-risk youth from urban areas to farming in a way that protects natural resources. Due to her proximity to Bear Creek and her passion for protecting it, Robyn partnered with the staff from the Snohomish Conservation District to assist her in establishing a composting system, installing cisterns for rainwater capture, and routing stormwater runoff from animal-heavy use areas into a rain garden. She also partnered with staff to create curriculum for the kids around these practices to educate them on stormwater runoff, livestock waste management, and the protection of Bear Creek. The result is multifunctional and a wonderful example of sustainable practices and passing on knowledge to future generations.